Today our topic is the diaphragm. First of all, I will do the diaphragm and the shape of the diaphragm. The shape of diaphragm is of three types. We have the dome shape. Three types, like we have the dome shape, we have the kidney shape, and we have the J shape. The shape of diaphragm. Then we have the origin of diaphragm. The origin of diaphragm also take place from the three three regions. First is the sternal region. The sternal region take place from the xiphoid process, two slips, and the second region is the six ribs, coastal, lower coastal six ribs, and also the vertebral region. The vertebral region is at the right and at the left. The right take place from the lumbar L1, L2, and L3 vertebra, and left take from the L1 and L2 vertebra. The L3 not present on the left side because of the stomach comes on the left. Then we have the insertion. The diaphragm has only one insertion, which is the main insertion known as the central tendon. Central tendon is insertion of the diaphragm. And then we have the nerve supply. The nerve supply take place from the C3, C4, and C5 phrenic nerve supplies the diaphragm mainly. Then we have the arterial supply. The arterial supply of the diaphragm also take place from three types of arteries, like lower six intercostal arteries. Then we have the musculophrenic artery. Then we have the superior epigastric artery. Then we have the arcuate ligaments. Arcuate ligaments are also of three types. These ligaments attach the diaphragm to the vertebra on the right and left side. The first arcuate ligament is the median arcuate ligament. The median arcuate ligament attach the right and the left crura. Second is the medial arcuate ligament. The medial arcuate ligaments are the thickening of the psoas fascia. There are psoas fascia thickening forms the medial arcuate ligament. Then we have the third, the lateral arcuate ligament. The lateral arcuate ligament is the thickening of the quadratus lumborum fascia. Thickening of the lateral arcuate ligament. Then we have the openings of the diaphragm. The main openings, major openings, large opening of diaphragm are the three major openings, like venal caval opening. Second is the esophageal opening. Third is the aortic opening. The venal caval opening take place at the vertebra T8 vertebra, and the esophageal opening take place at vertebra T10 thoracic vertebra, and the aortic opening take place at the T12 thoracic vertebra. So now we see the contents of this, which things pass. First is the venal caval opening. Vena caval opening. The vena caval opening, mainly the two things pass. I have made the nemonic. In the nemonic is the ip, love, red, white, blue. If you can also remember the Ip Man movie, so Ip Man, love, red, white, blue. From the vena caval opening, the first is the vena caval opening at the T8 vertebra, and there is the Ip. So two things pass: the inferior vena cava and the phrenic nerve. Inferior vena cava and the phrenic nerve. So these are the contents of the vena caval opening. We may just say that from the vena caval opening, the right phrenic nerve passes. The right phrenic nerve passes mainly the left. There is a minor opening. Then we have the esophageal opening. From the esophageal opening, we have the nemonic, love. For the esophageal opening, for this to the love. So it from the L was the left gastric artery. From the O, it passes the esophageal vein. Then from the V, we have the vagus nerve, and from the E, we have the esophagus. Then the third opening is the aortic opening at the level of T12 vertebra. On the aortic opening, we have the red, white, and blue. So from the red R, it has the aorta. Then the white color is of the lymph, so it is the thoracic duct. Then the blue color is the vein, so we remember the azygous vein. You also remember like that, the aorta, and zygous vein, and thoracic duct. You also remember like that. So this is all about diaphragm. Thank you.